Mermaids spinning and weaving, pearls drop as they weeping, gather to be a stand, soft-like plumage, grace-like wings, water fountains flying and fleeting.
We will introduce the woven rings from 3 points as follows: space creation, plan improvement, and construction process. The first is space creation. In this design plan, we use ring as the basic type. Through the superposition of basic types, steps, enclosure components, and birdwatching viewports are created to form a preliminary birdwatching space prototype. Next, the roof surface weaving method is used to further enclose the birdwatching space. The construction location of the plan is located on the east side of the park. During the implementation of the plan, we face the bird-watching facade to the water viewing to obtain a more magnificent viewing and get tourists more accessibility to interact with birds. The bird-watching platform is simple in shape and can meet the needs of various bird-watching activities. Construction area is located near the estuary of the Pearl River and needs to be resistant to typhoons. At the same time, to ensure the safety of bird-watching activities, the structure of the semi-final plan has been adjusted. We hope that the structure will be challenging in the semi-finals, so we put forward 3 points. We modify the construction plan under the guidance of the construction staff. Give up the idea of using movable components, pulling the base circle through the straight wall skin, and the idea that the rings don't touch each other, and improve the way of manufacturing the ring. In the specific construction process, if the ring is divided into 4 sections of bamboo to bend, the transfer position may be difficult to handle, so it is divided into 3 sections. This is the self-weight stress diagram, self-weight deformation diagram, self-weight and bird stress diagram, and so on. They were calculated by computer, which is enough to show its structural rationality. The construction process is divided into 4 steps. The first is to make the ring. The bamboo poles are cut at short intervals for easy bending. After the bent bamboo is baked, the cuts are closed. The same ring is divided into 3 sections and grilled. The cuts are lined at the joints and the surface is grilled and polished. After the ring is connected and formed, the bamboo sheet is placed on the inner ring and receives a position for the straight wall to be nailed. After determining the position of the ring in the space, mark the equal division, connect the straight walls, and cut off if the straight walls intersect. Finally, the steps are laid to complete the construction of the bird-watching platform.
The design process is a process of interweaving sensibility and reason. The use of the ring element is based on the concept of seeing the world with a circle, which fits the theme of watching in the bird-watching platform. When it comes to design, it considers the scale of human beings, the space required for the interaction between humans and birds, and specifically the choice and weaving of connecting points between rings have their own logics. Inclined wall panels and circle elements break the traditional cubic sense of space enclosed by the ceiling and the wall. The permeability provided by the ring is conducive to birdwatching. The circle is selected as the basic type of birdwatching platform because it can provide a unique perspective. 3 interlaced circles form the basic frame and lay the foundation for the birdwatching platform. Weaving is used to form a rich skin, like double wings, to enhance the sense of dynamics and create a unique space. Create a place for birdwatching and allow rich human-bird interaction to occur. The different curved surfaces formed by weaving have a sense of rhythm and dynamics, and the logical order is reflected in the changes. Frame scenes has been used many times to provide a special bird-watching perspective. Different people have different imaginations about the shape of the bird-watching platform. The overall effect is simple, majestic, and full of tension, and the joint processing is clean and tidy, giving full play to the mechanical properties of bamboo. The texture and turn of